how to scan and pay in Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how we can scan and pay on Google Pay. So let's go. The first step is for you to log into Google Pay account just like I've done here. And then once you've logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen or to the bottom right corner, whichever one is fine. And move it to the top right corner. When you click on the profile icon, in the drop down menu that appears, you will have to click on payment method, and then you'll be able to add the card that you want to use to make payment, or you can just move to the bottom right corner and click on add to wallet. By clicking on add to wallet, you'll be taken to the page where you can see different options for you to make payment on the Google Pay app. So you can see the option payment card, transport pass, loyalty card, gift card, and then photo. So this is how you can be able to scan a photo in order to make payment on Google Pay. So if you have a photo that you want to scan, just click on photo, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can choose a photo with a barcode or QR code, click OK, and then go ahead to scan. As you can see, we're able to, so once you scan, you'll be referred to the position where you can process your payment, and then that way you'll be able to pay successfully on Google Pay. You can see how easy it is, right? So why not try it out now? Thank you for watching everyone, and have a good day.